Voila! For who no get portrait.
너랑 비웃대 하나뿐인 내 우산을 같이 씌웠으면 돼 비록 찢어진 집비는 피하지 못하는
Hey loves, my name is Christabel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I'm going to be reviewing wigs I got from JUMIA. I got 2 wigs from JUMIA. Guys, this is what the packaging looks like when you bring it out of the JUMIA parcel bag. This is what you see. The package looks like attachments. I'm not even understanding. I think this wig was 4,000 something or 5,000 something, and this is what I got. Like, what is the meaning of this? It comes with adjustable strap, closure pattern. Hair is not like, it's not shiny, but look at this. Bone straight. Voila, for me, don't get bone straight. Final thoughts on this hair. I'm rating this hair a 4 out of 10 because you can use either a cap or a scarf to cover the closure parts. This is the second wig I got. This is what the closure looks like. As you can see, the thread is coming out, the thread they used to sew it, and the closure is very similar to the other weave, and it doesn't come with any closure space, and it comes with adjustable strap. As you can see, this wig is not manageable at all. It's the worst. Honestly, rate this wig below.